Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Safari Park for camping night, and first of all, parking is great, service is really great. They took our luggage and gave us our tent map. Ours is 6. Can you see that? Service is really nice. We got a little bit food. They say you are allowed, and we asked for a hammock. That's unfortunately is not allowed. That's understandable. And you see the parking and everything is so good. The staff is so friendly. They have few activities in night time that's written here. I will show you. Let's come and enjoy. You guys hear him? Oh god. We're gonna sleep here tonight. Oh, I gonna sleep here tonight. I don't know how. Oh god. Do you see there? There are the tents and few more here. It's a good arrangement here. Here are few kids, couples, families. It looks so nice. We have few events tonight. We're gonna walk here. Few more stuff like that. I will show you guys. We are here near elephants. And this is the view from our tent. This is the view, and this is the entrance. Oh, okay, it's like this here. One bed, two beds, fans, window, light, and this is how does it look. And we have chair here and one here, two chairs. And when you go out, let me show you the view. Ta-da! Oh. This is the window. So from our tent, you can see this view, and guess what? You can see rhinos there. Other side is elephants, and I think this side is cheetah. Yeah, we are so close. It's cloudy today. guys, lion.
Good news for us, coming right up to the side of the road. A little bit farther off at the edge of the light into the murky background. That's where you'll see the youngsters. The smallest one that we see here is about 2 years old. In total, there's about 15 giraffes on it. This one looks like it's been fairly well stripped, but not to worry, there'll be a new one tomorrow. The nice thing about this park, of course, these giant wide open spaces that we have, the animals, it's black and white face. Notice how well their coat blends into the sandy background, especially in these kind of low light circumstances. You'll really get a chance to see the way that the Embark compete with each other in the feeding station.
So close. It's so close.
The horns is your advantage because there's not always enough food to go around for everybody. And send the giraffes across the entire habitat. Remember I mentioned they absolutely can. The maximum speed on this tram is 10 miles an hour. Giraffes can go about 25 or 30. All they need to do is go up the hill. They've decided to keep it. Today less than 300 remain. Tapes on its back the bongo antelope from the rainforests of Central Africa.
Good morning guys, it's morning now and look at it. It's so beautiful. Going for breakfast now and gonna watch elephants and lion.
just reopened in May of this year. It's a long time.
Wow.
So we're still flying our birds. We're still keeping them in good condition to fly. One another. And all those decorative feathers that you see on top of you are going to play a part in that. She's got the crown feathers. She's also got these kind of long, wispy ones here. And then kind of some golden lacy ones on the bottom of the wings there as well. So you'll notice that she flew to me, but I wasn't expecting her, right? She flew and hopped on the ground. Those are the ways we're going to reward that behavior. So that's basically how we do all the training here at the park. It's all through positive reinforcement. So we reward the behaviors and the things that we do want, and we try to practice. These animals learn, you know what? It's actually more worth my while to fly where they're asking me or do this one thing because they get all the good stuff for it. I don't get anything fun if I do all the extra stuff. So that's kind of the premise of how we train and get these birds to train. And that's another important part to point out is that we allow the animals to choose whether or not they would like to participate in a training session or a presentation like this. Environment and what you're going to do for the day, you're more readily ready to like do it. I don't know how else to explain it, right? But it's certainly more fun when you get to choose to participate rather than if somebody forces you, like, sorry, you got to. It's really pretty. We don't know why it happened. Again, we've done subsequent workouts for her, and again, she's perfectly healthy. She's just an interesting green color, which is really pretty. And she's, if you guys can see her enjoying a nice walnut over there. I don't know if you guys saw how easily she cracked into that walnut. Right? Parents have extremely strong beaks, which is why they're really hard to build up a relationship with these birds before we ever ask them to come out with us, right? Yeah. They have a very powerful beak. So we're not sure that she trusts us to stay in place with them. That beak is so strong that it can exert its power to you might also see that she'll use her tongue to kind of get all that walnut fat, right? They have a
If you pick it up without